Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I have this AIO Robotics 3D pen. Let's get right into this. The quality of just the box was amazing as it was opened, and it was left with this simple layout with just the pen shown when you open the box. After you take out the pen, it has a nice metal texture other than other 3D pens, which are just plastic. Very high quality packaging. And after you remove this, you can see they left a charging cable along with 2 spools of filament. Let's see what this pen can do. With products like this, I love simplicity, and with this, all you gotta do to power it on is plug it in. Then you can see the AIO Robotics sign, and you tap forward and you can see that it'll start heating up. You can also change the speed from 1 to 5 using the plus or minus sign, and also the temperature based on what type of filament you're using. So, if you're new to 3D printing, you'd probably be using the provided filament with the pen, but I am going to be using 3D printer filament. So it's almost heated up. So we'll take the spool of filament, and it just reached 180, so insert the filament into the back end. And we simply hold the front button. And here comes the filament. So to stop the flow, simply hit the forward button again. It'll stop. So, to test out this pen, we are going to use a template that I downloaded online. I will leave the link to this template in the description. It is from 3D Doodler. Let's check this pen out. So here's a template for the Eiffel Tower, and many of these templates can be downloaded from online, many similar to this, and basically anything you really want. So as you can see, you're going to want 4 of all of these parts, and then 1 of each of those. Generally what I do is I start from the top of a part and then go to the bottom. So I'm going to start with this part down here. have two colors in our Eiffel Tower. This is what I like more about the 3D pen compared to the 3D printer. If you have a 3D printer with only one color extruder, then you can't really do anything about it. But then with the 3D pen, you can have as many colors as you want. The thing is, whenever you put a new color into your 3D pen, you will see the previous color come out of the extruder nozzle because there's still going to be some left over. So whenever you switch colors, you have to wait, see it comes out white, then it'll change to black.